guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can create a pop-up menu that allows you to, well, basically do anything. So, first off, we're going to get an Autohotkey script called Popup. We can put a dash. You don't have to put a dash if you don't want to, but I'll just put one there. Menu. Now, we need to add script, of course. And that seems good. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to type menu, and then whatever you want to name the menu. For an example, I'll just name it main menu. Now, just so you know, I'm pretty new to menus. I'm not, like, amazing at them. I'm pretty new to them. So, yeah, I probably won't learn too much, but you can still go to the documentation. And then you do add. I love how you just switch topics so quickly. And then you do the name of the first thing you want to do. I'm gonna name it text 1. So now we do another one of these, and text 1 output. Now I'm just doing examples. You can name it whatever you want and name this whatever you want. Now we do the same thing. Except this time we do text 2, and then we do text 2 output. Now we do another one. Oh. And that'll put a separator line, which I'm probably going to put some stuff up here that tells us what we do. So this little semicolon actually tells the script, ignore this. So yeah, now we're going to say make a menu, and this one's going to be add a separator line. Now we're going to make a submenu. I don't know why, just submenu looks like it's spelled wrong, but I don't know why. Alright, so now we're going to menu, submenu. Now remember, you can rename main menu and submenu to whatever you want. Then you do add, then we can do hotkey 1. And then we do hotkey 1. Now we do the same thing. And this time we're going to do hotkey 2, kind of like with the main menu. And then we're going to do hotkey 2 up right there again. Now we're going to add a separator line. So menu, main menu this time, add, and then that's it. Am I spelling separator light? I don't know. Tell me in the comments. Alright, so now we're going to attach the submenu to the main menu. So what we're going to do is menu, main menu, add but we're going to name it hotkeys, and then we're going to do this submenu. Now we're going to tell the script what the buttons do. So now we're going to do text one output, and then put that, and then we're going to send text 1, and then return. Now we're going to text 2 output, send text 2, return. Now we're going to do hotkey 1 will do a hotkey. So, for example, we can yeah, this is mostly for if you have too many hotkeys. So, like, let's say you want to do the date. So, we can name this one time and date, and then we can do time. Oh wait, I forget the command. Oh no. Oh no, I forget the command. Okay, so it's Okay, hold on. See you in a second. See how we do formats, time, XX. Now we do capital /dd /YYYY. Now we can do formats. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Formats, time, ZZ. Now we're going to do HH for hours, and TT for AM or PM. Now we're going to do a message box. It is ZZ on XX. Now we're going to return, and now hotkey 2 can, like, I don't know, send a message box saying hi. Message box hi. So we can do hotkey 2 message box hi return. Alright, so now we've told the script everything that we want this stuff to do. Now we need to make it to where you can press a hotkey and the submenu will come up. So make the submenu visible with a hotkey. Probably should make that a capital S there. So we're going to do Control P for pop-up, and then we're going to do menu, main menu, show. Now we are done. So now time to test it out. So I can probably close Notepad and then open a Untitled. Now let's open pop-up menu. And it's open right there. So we got pop-up menu. Now let's go ahead and do Control P. Nice! So text 1, we'll do text 1. Control P. Text 2, we'll do text 2. Now let's do Control P again. Hotkeys, time and date. It is 3:06 p.m. on August 7th, 2023. Now we can also go to hotkeys and do a message box hi, and it says hi. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!